Scroll through your feed for 5 seconds. You'll see luxury vacations, designer bags, exotic cars, champagne on a private jet. It looks like everyone is rich. But here's the uncomfortable truth. The wealthiest people you'll ever meet are often invisible online. No flexing, no money posts, no humble brags. And that silence, it means something very specific. Today, we're uncovering the rare trait shared by people who never post about their money and why trying to look rich is quietly destroying millions of lives behind the scenes. Social media has completely changed what wealth looks like. You don't need money anymore, you need angles. You don't need savings, you need filters. You don't need assets, you need an aesthetic. That vacation can be financed. Those luxury goods can be split into payments. That car can be leased with shockingly little down. What you don't see are the credit card balances piling up, the anxiety that keeps people awake at night, the collections calls. You don't see that sinking feeling when the paycheck hits and immediately vanishes into a black hole of monthly payments. Studies show that a significant percentage of people earning six figures still can't handle a small unexpected emergency. And the most dangerous part of this whole game? Looking rich is rewarded instantly with likes and comments. Being wealthy is rewarded quietly over decades of discipline. So what do the people who never post about their money have in common? It's not a higher income. It's not luck. It's not some secret investment strategy. It's this. They don't need validation from money. That's the rare trait. They've emotionally separated their identity from their income. They don't use purchases to prove their success to the world. They don't outsource their self-worth to strangers online. They don't measure their progress by likes. Because once money becomes your identity, you are trapped. You must keep spending to maintain the image. You must keep upgrading to stay relevant. You must keep running, because stopping exposes the truth that it was all an illusion. Truly wealthy people don't play that game. They don't need applause. They need control. And this reveals a massive difference between being rich and being wealthy. Rich is income. Wealthy is ownership. Rich people spend money to feel successful. Wealthy people use money to create options and buy freedom. Rich people measure success by what they can buy. Wealthy people measure success by what they don't have to worry about. Debt is the biggest divider. A person driving a luxury car might owe more than they earn. A person driving an old sedan might own their time, their future, and their peace of mind. And here's the part that makes people uncomfortable. Most luxury goods are bought by people who can't truly afford them, not because they're irresponsible, but because the system makes it easy to confuse access with ability. Buy now, pay later, teaser rates, lifestyle financing. It all whispers the same seductive lie. You deserve this now. You'll figure it out later. But later always arrives. And the only question is, when it does, will you own your life or will your lifestyle own you? Every dollar you spend to impress other people is a dollar that can't be out there working for you. It's a potential employee you just fired before their first day. Think about that $500 luxury purchase, the watch, the bag, the dinner. What if you invested it instead? Consistently, over time, that same $500 can become hundreds of thousands. The real tragedy in all of this? Most people won't even remember what they bought a few years from now, but they will remember the stress it caused, the credit card statement that made their stomach drop, the feeling of being one emergency away from disaster. That feeling lingers long after the novelty of the purchase is gone. And here's the part that rarely gets talked about, the part that happens behind the scenes. The richest people, they don't feel rich in the beginning, not at all. They feel disciplined. They feel boring. Their friends are going on lavish trips, and they're automating another transfer to an index fund. For years, they feel like they're behind, until one morning they wake up and realize they aren't. They're free. That is stealth wealth.
From the outside, it just looks like restraint. On the inside, it feels like an almost unbearable patience. But that patience, that restraint, it compounds into freedom. People who never post about their money, who never flash their success, they understand something most people never will. Money talks loudest when it doesn't have to say a word. Their power comes from their silence. They're not focused on the noise, they're focused on a few core principles. First, they live below their means. It's a simple, non-negotiable rule. Second, they own appreciating assets, things that grow in value while they sleep, not things that lose value the second they're bought. They actively avoid lifestyle creep. Just because you get a raise doesn't mean your spending has to rise with it. And most importantly, they protect their future from their own impulses. They know their own weaknesses. They build systems to guard against them. They've learned not to confuse spending with living. They don't mistake success for consumption. They fundamentally understand that happiness is custom built. You have to figure out what it means for you. It's not something that can be marketed to you or sold in a store. And because they understand this, because they operate on a different frequency, they win, quietly. So it all comes down to a single question, the only one that really matters in the end. Do you want to look rich, or do you want to be free? One of those things fades with the next social media algorithm update. The other one compounds while absolutely no one is watching. The people who never post about their money aren't hiding. They're building. They're laying brick after quiet brick. And one day, when everyone else is still desperately trying to impress strangers on the internet, they will have something far rarer than attention. They'll have options. The ability to walk away from a job they hate. The ability to change their life on a dime. They'll have peace, the kind of quiet that comes from knowing you're secure. And they'll have time, the one resource that's truly finite. That's real wealth, and it doesn't need a caption.